Hello dear Xamk students, I'm here to show you guys how to apply for the first round of Startup Fund. So basically, if you guys don't know what Startup Fund is, I suggest checking it out. The link is in the description below. You will have first the funding criteria. I suggest to read it very carefully before applying so you know what you're applying for and what is expected from you. Then after that we have the basic information. So just fill in your information to all the empty slots we have. And after putting the basic information, you'll get to put your teammates' basic information if you have one. You can always apply alone, but if you do have teammates, then please share their information as well. And you can have up to 8 team members. So next up, we'll have the type of service or product that your idea is consistent with. So it can be a digital service or a product, or it can be something completely new and innovative, and you'll get to, build your own category on top of it. And then also describe the business idea with all the details, and this will all be confidential. And you can also attach files like videos or picture or anything you want. And after that, you'll have a summary of your own application. And if it all looks good to you, you can just send it forward and Startup Fund will be in touch with you afterwards. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope all of you guys interested in this will apply. A lots of cheers and a lot of luck to you guys, and we'll see you afterwards.